Today we're gonna solve for indefinite integral of tan cube x dx. Now to solve for this indefinite integral, first we're gonna split this expression into tan square x into tan x dx. Now why did we do it? Because we're gonna use a trigonometric identity, but a Pythagoras trigonometric identity, which states 1 plus tan square x equals to sec square x. So tan square x would be sec square x minus 1. Now we're going to replace this value here so that we would have sec square x minus 1 into tan x dx. Now we're going to further multiply this expression inside, so we would have sec square x into tan x dx minus tan x into dx. Now we have two different indefinite integral. Now we're going to solve these two one by one. So let's get started with the first one, which is integral of tan x sec square x dx. Here we would assume the value of u equals to tan x. So derivative of u is going to be sec square x, as the derivative of tan x is sec square x into dx. Now we're going to replace this value so that sec square x dx would be du and tan x would be u. So we're going to have like an expression as u into du. So we would have, by using a power rule, u squared by 2 plus c, which c is a constant of integration. Now we're going to replace the value of u, that would be tan x squared divided by 2 plus c. So that's going to be half of tan square x plus c. So this is the answer of the first indefinite integral. Now we're going to solve for the second one, which is integral of tan x dx. First we're going to split or simplify this expression into sin x divided by cos x into dx. Now let's assume that value of u equals to cos of x. So derivative of u is going to be minus sin x into cos x into dx, as the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now we're going to replace this value in the given expression, as sin x is going to be sin x into dx is going to be minus du, as that's what sin x into dx would be, and cos x is going to be equivalent of u. So placing these values in, we would have minus du divided by u. So now the indefinite integral of du over u would be minus ln u plus c, where c is a constant of integration. Now we're going to place the value of u, which would be, we assumed to be cos x. So that's going to be minus ln mod of cos x plus c. So that's going to be our answer for the second indefinite integral. Now we would be simply adding these two answers, which is this one and this. So we would have the final answer as, so integral of tan cube x dx is going to be integral of sec square x into tan x dx minus integral of tan x into dx. So as we found out from our previous solution, now we're going to place those values in. So this value is going to be this one, which is half tan square x plus c. So we would place this here, so we would have half tan square x minus, that's going to be minus cos x plus c, where c is a constant of integration. So we have final answer as half of tan square x plus ln mod of cos x plus c. C is a constant of integration. That's gonna be our final answer of this problem.